What's the meaning of breeding? Breeding. Breeding.
Breeding. Breeding. Breeding typically refers to the process of producing offspring by sexual reproduction between animals or plants of different varieties, breeds, or species. The result of breeding is often the production of new genetic combinations, leading to increased genetic diversity and potentially creating new traits in the offspring. In animal breeding, traits such as strength, speed, and intelligence can be selectively bred for, while in plant breeding, traits such as yield, disease resistance, and flavor can be improved. However, it's important to note that breeding can also be done in an unethical manner, such as through inbreeding or genetic modification, which can have negative consequences for both the offspring and the environment.